Right then, another customer car video. So behind me we've got Hasib's 530D. It's an N57T engine with solenoid injectors, and it's in for our GTD2873 Turbo. We've done some 330Ds, 430Ds to the same spec as this. I think this is the first 530D we've done with these upgrades. Like I said, it's going to be the turbo, downpipe's already gutted, we've got E-jar, blanking plates, swirl flap deletes, metering valve upgrade, and then just tuning and the gearbox tune, which should see us hit over 400 horsepower, 410 horsepower, something like that, based on the figures of the other ones that we've done. So yeah, very nice spec car, tons of carbon inside, rotiform wheels, lowered, looks the part. So let's get it in the workshop and see what we can get it up to. So as you can see, we've got the 530 on the dyno. All the hardware's been fitted, which I'm sure you've seen on the video. I apologise if the camera's a little bit shaky. It's absolutely freezing in the dyno at this time of year. It feels about -10. It says 5.5 in the car, but I don't believe that for a second. So all the tuning's done. We've got some power figures. As you can see, there's 2 power figures on there at the minute. You're probably wondering why. So the final power figures, which this car is going to be leaving us with, is the 417 horsepower figure, which has got the most amount of torque, 650 foot-pound. The other, the red graph, is the most amount of power that we achieved from when we were tuning it, but the metering valve was struggling to control this. So I'll put up the AFR graph so you can see what was happening on the 2 files. But basically we had to pull the fuel line back just to control the metering valve a little bit better. So at the beginning of the video we predicted that this were going to do around 410 horsepower. It's done a little bit more, which I'm pretty sure the customer is not going to complain about. That does make this the most powerful 30D engine that we've done at this specification. We have done a one with fueling upgrades, cams and everything, that's about 455, so that's the next step for this. If you did want to get more, but at 417, 650 foot-pound, customer's not going to complain at that. It's going to be an absolute monster on the road. It's rear-wheel drive, so yeah, I think the next step, we'll get out in the car, see what it's like. So I'll just start by saying I've been warned by Stylianos, who's already been out on the road testing this, that it spins the wheels in 4th gear. It probably doesn't help that it's 2.5 degrees outside today, so not very warm. but by all means, this is supposed to be a very quick car. So, let's see what it's like. First impressions, very torquey. You can definitely feel that 650 foot-pound as soon as you put your foot down. Puts you in the back of your seat. So wheel spinning, third gear, 40 mile an hour. Probably enough to make you pull a weird face when you accelerate. It does feel quick, it's a very quick car. Nice place to be as well. Definitely feels a lot more spacious than the 3 and 4 series. Manual, second gear, foot down. Although it's cold, it is dry on the road. I imagine if it was the slightest bit wet, it'd be a completely different animal, this. But yeah, it's quick, very quick car. I like it. So we'll not go crazy today. I think if we can get any figures from the Draggy or the performance box, we'll let the customer go out, see what he can achieve on a private road, obviously. But yeah, really happy with this. I think the customer's going to be happy. I think we'll head back to the workshop now, hand over the keys in a couple of hours when the customer comes and collects. Thanks again for watching. If you like what we're doing, click the like, subscribe button. Yeah, see you in the next one.